winter, 14 degrees ambient, 490 in the chamber. Time to start roasting 700 grams of Guatemala. With enough watts in the box, winter roasting is not a problem. Got a 1000 watt hob, electric hob, 1200 watt turbo convection oven top. Serves from 2 outlets, so we're approaching the 6-minute mark. We reached 340 degrees on the bean bed. Should be a light yellow. Yep, turned from green to light brown actually. Looking for first cracker on minute 7 or 8. Got a little faint grassy smell of the smoke. Crossing minute 8. Right around here we're supposed to hear first crack. And then we'll roast another. Oh, there it is. We'll call it 8 minutes and 12 seconds. So we'll roast this to 10 minutes and 12 seconds. That'll be about 125% development time. At the 9-minute mark, 4:17. I want to get to 4:30. Run 10 minutes 15 seconds to 10.5 minutes. Okay, we reached 430 degrees. 10 minutes and 10 seconds will be 125% development time. So we will commence with turbo cooling. Shut the heat off. Let it keep rotating and cool with a leaf blower. Alright, 594 grams finished product. 700 grams green. That's about 15.2% reduction. Should be delicious.